What's up, y'all? This your girl Goldmouth coming at you guys with a hair update. Now I know I posted my my braided hair whatever protective style video like a couple days ago, but in real life it has really been 2 weeks because I was kind of like delayed on my video stuff. But now that I got myself situated, coming at y'all with a hairdo update. These braids actually been in my head 2 weeks, for real. So the only thing that I have been doing is using my S-Curl spray. As y'all know, I already got in this bottle, and I have been using my Wild Growth hair oil. And I have not been using my Jamaican black castor oil because I spray my hair like every morning, every night. So I ain't feel the need to like seal it for real because it don't really be dry. So, and then the oil that I get from my Wild Growth is like enough to seal it a little bit. So I haven't really been using Jamaican black castor oil. Now I usually do this like a lot at night, and then I put my bonnet on before I go to bed. Or if I really ain't finna go nowhere, I put my bonnet on while I'm in the house too, if I'm just lounging around and all of that stuff. So this is what my hair look like. I mean, I should have turned around before, but this is what my hair look like in the back. I don't know what it looked like, y'all, so I don't know what y'all seeing. How it look. Do it look decent, y'all? Do it look like I can keep going? Do I need to take it out? Y'all know I like long-term protective style, but this one was supposed to be a short-term. But hey, it done been 2 weeks and I'm still I still got it. Maybe y'all think I can last another week? What y'all think? Y'all think I could last one more week and then I'll take it out? Maybe. What y'all let me know how it look. Do I look too ratchet? You know, showing y'all the top and the sides. So I've been keeping up with it, because my hair, if I don't keep it moisturized and like covered up, but I don't necessarily keep it covered up, I actually wear it out like this. But lately I haven't been. That's why my edges are not like laid. So I'm going to since I'm getting ready to go somewhere for real, I'm going to lay my edges a little bit. Not too much, because I don't particularly like to lay my baby hairs when I got like gray hair in them. I need to like do me a rinse, because that's what I usually do to keep my my edges from being so gray. I put me like a little rinse, what you call it, a semi-permanent hair color in it. So I'm gonna lay my edges, you know, just a little bit, well, maybe a lot, because you know I am extra, just in case you didn't know by now. Y'all been following me, y'all already know what time it is. Oh, and I'm laying my edges with this Eben. Y'all already know this is one I already done reviewed before, the Eben edge control. Looks like that in a jar. It's the one with the purple top. The one with the purple top. The one with the purple top is the one I use, because they got like all different color tops, and you forget which one is what reading the label. So just remember, I use the one with the purple top. If you ever go like to the hair store to be trying to get the Eben that I was talking about, because you might see like 500 different ones for real. And the only one that I have ever used of the Eben is the one with the purple top. And it's the one that has, I think this is the strongest one. This one says extreme firm hold. So y'all, I can't see what I'm doing here, so y'all know I ain't got my spectators on. So I'm just gonna go. This here is a this brush right here is like an old brush that I got years ago in a clipper set kit. When I bought me some clippers one time, when I bought my clippers, and I never use it to clean my clippers. That's what it's for, to clean the clippers. Well, I don't use it to clean the clippers, child. For what? I got another brush for that. So I thought this was not a nice little brush to do my edges with, because it's like real hard and keeps my edges kind of, you know, in check. And because the bristles are like real close together, not like a toothbrush. I don't know if you can find this like in the store or something, but I don't know. Maybe go look for a brush, a edge cleaner brush, child. What you call it? Edge cleaner brush? A clipper cleaner brush. Yeah, look like that. A black toothbrush. If you interested, I mean, you know, I got different edge combs. Y'all already know. I got the one with the little comb at the end. Whichever one I pick up, because in my house I have to have a bunch of them, because they so little, they get lost often. So the first one I see is be the first one I pick up for real. So I am going to do my little edges a little bit, y'all. I'm gonna put on the hat, so it really don't matter, but I still want to look semi-decent. On my, you know, I don't want to look like I got naps around the edges, you know. So that's pretty much it. No, that's not it. That's not it, girl. Wire Grow. Shake that up. Remember, every time you use your Wire Grow hair oil, shake it up, because it has, you know, stuff. When you get oils and stuff, especially Wire Grow, because they have different ingredients in it, you want to mix those ingredients up, because they tend to settle to the bottom, and you don't want the goodness to settle to the bottom. Y'all want the goodness to get in your scalp too, you know. So when I got wide braids like this and they fall apart, and you know my hair is under here, you want to go sideways and don't just go like straight down through the part. Push that Wire Grow in there up under that braid. You feel me? Push it under that braid so it can get on all of that hair. And go on both sides. Go on both sides of the braid. Okay, and there's a lot of oil. I don't know why I put my shirt on first. I shouldn't have put my shirt on first. Going all the way through that braid up there like that. And go both ways. Make sure it's good and saturated in there. And I'm paying close attention to my nape, y'all. Y'all already know it's a nape thing. So keep that Wire Grow on that nape. Make sure you get the back there. All up under that little bun or whatever you want to call it, where your hair tied up it. Well, my hair, because I don't know what y'all hair look like, shoot. So make sure I get it in good. And once you get it in there, massage it and go into the direction of where the hair go. Don't just be doing all like that, because you got your hair in style. And it already look a mess, so I want to keep it as good as I can to last me for another week. So I can get away with it, because y'all know the longer you leave your hair alone, the better off you are. No, I won't say that, because not the longer you leave your hair. Don't leave it in too long, okay? Because some people might take that the wrong way. Don't leave it in too long. But the more you leave your hair alone, the better off you are, as long as you keep it moisturized and sealed, okay? So I just moisturized with the S-Curl spray, and I sealed it with my Wild Growth oil. I didn't necessarily like seal it over this, but the oil that's left on my hands, I run it across the top, you know, of the braids and, you know, of the hair to keep the moisture in a little longer, girl. So then I would put my bonnet on if I'm at night. Like right now, today I'm gonna wear a hat. I could wear it like this, actually. It ain't that bad, but put a bonnet on. Make sure that bonnet like get on my edges, so it could like lay my edges a little bit before I go. And before I go, I'm going to put on my hat. Maybe I might put on my hat, maybe I won't. But that's how I have been taking care of my hair for the last 2 weeks. And I do what I said every single day. I don't miss a day, every single day. Oh, no. Don't listen to me. I do the Wild Growth 3 times a week. So it's like I do the Wild Growth every other day. Maybe 4 times a week. Maybe 4 times a week with the girl. Maybe 4 times a week with the Wild Grow. And the days I don't use the Wild Grow, I do use Jamaican black castor oil, because you can use Jamaican black castor oil every day, but with the Wild Grow, the bottle recommends you to do it 3 times a day. So I do generally use it maybe 3 times a day. Did I say that? No, 3 times a week, and I generally use it every other day. I don't care if it's 3 times a week or not. If every other day equals 4 days a week, then that's how much I use it, okay? So that's it for how I've been maintaining my hair. That's it. And you know, y'all see the little edges. Y'all see the edges. Hey. So, and that's how I do my edges. And I'm just going about my day, y'all. Do y'all think I can go another week? Y'all let me know. Comment down below in the comment section, and let me know what y'all think, y'all. And y'all see I ain't got my nails done yet, but next video, okay? So stay tuned, okay? Okay, y'all. That's all I got to say in this video, and I will holler at y'all later. Bye.